Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about the petroleum refining and petrochemicals. Unit number 1 basics of petroleum. In a previous lecture में આપણે discuss કરી ગયા છે evolution of crude oil, classification and evolution of crude oil. This is the most important. Now in this sub point union oil product characterization factor K. Okay, the capital K is a characterization factor and C factors. This is the most important theory GTU exam, and also fundamental all these equations and the mixtures of the part for C factors. Okay, now these studies this part most important. UOP C factor. The C factor is of immense utility in a refinery calculations. Besides, it has got capacity to predict the quantities of the crude, and it can be provided with many valuable data on fractions. The API gravity, American Petroleum Institute. So what is the API gravity? જે આપણે previous lecture માં જોઈ ગયા હતા, discuss કરીશું this one. The definition પૂછી શકાય, definition GTU માં these were the equations. Now start early days. The some classifications based on the location of crude was medial habitual, such as Pennsylvania crudes are classified as a paraffinic base, and Gulf Coast crude as naphthenic. This idea need not be any more entered, and the location or formation na basis par છે can never give the idea of the crude. And some crude rich in aromatic series were also classified as aromatic crude or benzenoid base crude, as all naphthenic crude give plentiful aromatic. Such formal classification need not be attended. American Petroleum Institute API gravity defined as the degree of American Petroleum Institute is equal to 141.5 by rho minus 131.5, where the specific gravity of a fraction 15.6 divided by 15.6. The first of all write down this equation. Okay, and all the notifications. Definition is important. Now the degree of API gravity, this is the final equations. Okay, now the continue this part EOC factor. Now the characterization factor is of immense utility. Okay, C factor is of immense utility in a refinery calculation. Beside, it has got capacity to predict the qualities of crude. It can be provided with many valuable data on fraction. American Petroleum Institute gravity and some the added molecular weight also, and then also weight fractions. As other parameter, it can give almost all necessary information about that the fractions right from physical properties and some the tendency of the cracking. The this is a relation is the most important. Okay, C factor and relations. This is the most important. Write down in your notebook. What is the relation? कैपिटल के यानी कि कैरेक्टराइजेशन फैक्टर के सी फैक्टर द अंडर रूट 3r by 0.827 by into multiply rho is equal to 3 under root t temperature and the by rho. So whereas the original k factor was formulated on r and rho is a Fahrenheit 60 Fahrenheit, where r is equal to the average boiling point k or temperature per se. Rho is equal to specific gravity 15.6 degrees Celsius to by divided by 15.6 degrees Celsius. The first of all, the write down this equation. API gravity defined and the UOP factor C. Okay, when this is the most important part for these factors. The original k factor is k. This is the equation is the most important part. This one. Now continue this part. For a paraffinic base of crude oil, capital K यानी कि C factor is a 12.5 and above. શું કીધું છે 12.5 કરતાં વધારે હોય increases, and it is if it is then the or equal to 10, the base of the crude is denoted as an aphthonic base and the fraction and comma the usually average boiling point will coincide with the boiling point when a angular slope is less than 3, and Watson and the scientist named replace the term average boiling point by molar average boiling point, but retaining the index values for the characterization purposes. Molar average boiling point is better suited for a wide boiling fractions with the slope more than 3 in an angular distillation part. Okay, repeated this part and then now continue some time. Okay, continue the part. For a paraffinic base માટે one time revision. For a paraffinic base of crude oil, K C factor is a 12.5 and above, and if it is the equal to 10, the base of the crude is denoted as an aphthonic basis and the some fractions of the part. Usually average boiling point will coincide with the boiling point when angular slope is less than 3. The Watson and the scientist name, they replace the term average boiling point by the molar average boiling point, but retaining the index values for the characterization factors. The molar average boiling point is better suited for a wide boiling fractions with a slope more than 3 in a angular distillation part. If the C factor is a 12.5, the crude is classified and the paraffinic base and the less than 10 is said to be the naphthenic basis, and intermediates values are regarded as a mixed base crude, the K value, and the mixture is the sum of the components K value multiplied by the weight fractions in these mixtures. This part mixtures, no, the K mixture is equal to K1 W1 plus K2 W2 plus K3 W3. What is the W1 to 3 are weight fractions of a different moment, different component, and K1, K2 and K3 are the respective characterization factor. Okay. Now the section main part of the revision for API gravity and this formation which is produced. Okay. The first of all આપણે ક્લાસિફિકેશન જોઈશું જે પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા. ઓકે, read it first one and the now revision part, this section, this one. Okay, the evolution of petroleum. The petroleum is classified into the mainly 3 congenial types. First one paraffinic base, second one naphthenic base, third one is the mixed and intermediate base. Some authors have referred the naphthenic base as asphaltic basis. The name naphthenic is more convincing as it represents the homogeneous series, whereas asphalt is the polymeric condense, and the material having a very high carbon to the hydrogen ratio of no equivalable nature of this general formula. Although the categorization into these 3 types may not be very accurate and brief, it serves without any reservation. The knowledge of the purposes and the knowledge of the base of crude is very essential, as it depicts even through not fully the usual properties immense and can adequately some inform to this formation, and this part of this paraffinic and naphthenic basis na je percentage wise na ratio છે this one. Okay, residue containing છે more than 5% paraffinic base is a good one. The residue containing less than 2% of paraffin is an naphthenic base. Residue containing 2% to 5% paraffinic is considered as a mixed base. The proper method of evaluation and this basis. And finally, API gravity નો આપણે equation જોયું હતું, key fraction number 1 and 2. This is the equation and mixed basis per. Okay. The API gravity magnifies the specific gravity of the fractions, as the specific gravity of close boiling cuts usually lies very close to each other. These types of the magnifications is essential for a blend. The API gravity is given API mixtures, API multiplied waste fraction પ્લસ એપીઆઈ બી વેટ ફ્રેક્શન બી માટે અપ ટુ એન સુધી લઈ શકો તમે. અને ધીસ ફેક્ટર યુઓપી. Okay, the C factor is a immense utility in the refinery calculations. Besides, it has got capacity to predict the qualities and some crude oil. So K is equal to under root 3 R by 0.827 rho is equal to under root 3 by rho. The original K factor was formulated on a R and a rho basis per se. Okay, the last one is this equations. So thank you so much.